the students! Today, Miss Sarah is going to give you the tutorial of the mid-semester project for English lesson, making pop-up poster or pop-up card, okay? So, make sure you're ready with all the stuff that you need for the project. Let's begin! First, you need to prepare the stuff. You need to prepare BC paper. It's in the package that we sent from school. There are 2 sheets of BC paper. 2 sheets of BC paper. Colored pencils, any color, or markers, or you can also use crayons. And then glue stick, or any glue that you have at home. Liquid glue is also alright. Glue paste is also alright. And scissors, and then origami paper, or any paper that you have. If you don't have any origami paper anymore, you can also use A4 paper, any paper, yeah? So, let's begin. So let's put this aside first, and like this. So let's do it this one. So we have 2 BC paper here, 2 sheets of BC paper. So fold the paper into 2 together, make sure they are same. You can also do it one by one if you would like to. Make sure if you want to do like this, I want to do it one by one. It's also alright. One by one, yeah? But make sure you make it same, okay? And then after finish, we put this aside. We put this aside first. Now, we take this. We took 1, so this one is aside. And then we have 1. And then see, we have like this, right? Like scissors. And then just make small cut, yeah, not really too big. It's around 2 centimeters. Cut a little bit more like this. Cut, and again we will make 3. Cut, and then cut, and then cut, and then cut. Yeah. So we'll have like this. See, we'll have like this. Open it. You can like this and then we open it. Yeah. Now, look, this one we have the cut one, right? So we put it, you see this is from inside, we take it like this. We take it, then we take it. Yeah. So it will be like this. Okay, and then after that, we put this aside. We put this aside. So we put this aside first. So it will be like this. We close it. Open, close, open. From side, open, close, open. Yeah. Alright? Okay, now put it aside first. Now we are going to make the tree, yeah? Any color that you have, so you can have, if I don't have a brown color, Miss Rara, it's fine. You can use red or blue or any color that you have, yeah? First, I'm going to draw, I will make a doodle, yeah? Doodle in, I will choose orange. So I will choose here. And then I use green here. I will make a doodle. Yeah. Like this. And then I'll take a different color. I will choose to use red or yellow. And then I will draw cloud. Some cloud. Small cloud. Now I will make doodle also in the cloud. Let's choose different color for the doodle. Red doodle, and then I will choose let's say orange doodle. It's broken. This one. Like doodle. Okay, and then I will put it aside, and then I choose brown. We are going to make the trunk, the tree trunk, yeah? So we are going to make the tree trunk. But want it to be small, it will be as small as this. See, not. Make it similar. I will make 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. So I will make 7 or 7 trees. So this one later is for the tree. So we are going to make 1, 2, 3, 3 trees, and 1, 2, 3, 4. So 1, 2, 3, 1, 2, 3, 4. So 3 plus 4 is 7. So we are going to make 7 trees. First, I'm making the tree trunks. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7 trees. here I have 7 trees. Right. And then because this one is small, so I will fold it into 2. Fold it into 2. And this one also I will fold it into 2. And this one I will fold it into 2. And then I will glue the stick. 3 smaller trunks. And then for this tree, I would like to, this one, you see the cloud that Miss Sarah made before? I cut it. So now we are going to stick the longer trees first, yeah? Look, so this is the paper. Just make it like this, and then we glue the tree trunk, put some glue here, and then we stick it. Stick in here. And then we have already had the trunk. Now we are going to put the leaves, of course, 3 leaves. First, the one I put in the middle like this. I'm going to draw the clouds. So we have 1, 2, 3, 4, 3. I'm going to draw the sky, yeah? The sky. The sky, I would like to make the sky blue. Now, so we close like this, we open like this. And then we are going to stick the smaller tree. This one is going to pop up. So, remember this one? We push it. See, we push from outside. Push from outside, so it will be like this. Okay? Right? And then close, it will be like this. And then open. Now we are going to stick the smaller tree, yeah? Now I'm going to stick this with the tree first. Stick with the leaf first. Yeah? And then stick. Stick it like this. It. Can you see that? From the front, from the side. Not finished, we just look. It doesn't look good. See, remember you have this one before, right? So now we put this aside, and then we are going to, you have folded into 2, right? Now you fold it again like this. Only one, yeah? You fold it out like this. So you will have like this, see? And then we are going to stick it here. Look at this, the one that we have, and then this one. Yeah? Now we are going to make it together like this. How to make it together? we are going to glue it. So we are going to put glue here. First, so we are going to glue it, pull it out, and then glue. And then I stick it. Stick the paper like this in the middle. Yeah. Right. Stick it, stick it, stick, 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 stick. Stick, 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 stick. Yes. So now it's stick. So we have this. It's open. When it's open, it's like this. And it's like this. Why it's like this? Because we need it to make it stand. Yeah. It will become like this. Okay, and then we start here. You have this one, right? So in this part, you are going to write about forest. So in this area, you can add something else, anything else. You want to make, I want to make grass. Fine, I want to make it green or brown if you have brown. I don't have brown. Green or brown or red, it's up to you. This one, it can be colorful. I think it's green is much better, yeah? So make it green or brown or anything, yeah? Any color that you have or that you like for the forest bed, yeah? And then if you want to add something here, it's also alright. If you want to draw a cat or dog, it's also alright. Here I want to, actually you want to draw a deer, it's also alright here, deer or elephant. You need pencil then if you want to draw elephant. Can I draw elephant? Let's say elephant, yeah. It's not really clear. Pencil will make it clear. But later you can draw anything. So a dinosaur is also alright. And then this one, so forests and trees are very useful for our lives. So we are going to promote why we have to take care of our forests or trees. I want you to use your own sentences. So do not find any words from the internet. Just think about what makes you think we have to take care of forests or woods or trees. Okay? For example. It's close. So this is the card. Here in front of this is the front part. You can write your name. See, the front will be like this, and then I will, you should write something. Here is your one is for your name, and then this one I want to write save trees. So that is the English project for the mid-semester. I hope you can do your best. Do it by yourself. You can ask somebody in your house to help you take pictures. Alright? Happy learning! See you!